Hey everyone, Kristen Kenny here at the Vivint Demo House, and today I'm going to be answering some frequently asked questions about Vivint Smart Energy. Let's get started. What happens to my roof? A typical roof comprises of a series of beams, trusses, and rafters that easily support the weight of solar panels. But should any penetration damage occur, your roof is covered under our 10-year roof penetration warranty. What happens if I move? If you move, you have a couple of options. For those who are making monthly equipment payments, you can pay off your remaining equipment balance through the sale of your home and transfer ownership of the paid-off system to the new homeowner. Or if the new homeowner wishes to simply assume the remaining payments, they can apply to qualify as a new Vivint Smart Energy customer. If approved, they will assume full responsibility of the remaining loan, PPA, and lease balance. Will solar increase the value of my home? There are many factors that can affect your home's value, and solar panels could be one of them. In 2019, Zillow's research team found that homes with a solar energy system sold for 4.1% more on average than comparable homes without solar power. We suggest talking with a local real estate agent to better understand the housing market in your area and how solar panels could increase your home's value. Will I still have an electric bill? Yes, if you go solar, you may pay a reduced electricity bill from your utility company in addition to your monthly solar payment if you finance through a loan. If you chose a PPA or lease financing product, you will receive a reduced monthly electric bill from your utility company, plus a monthly electric bill from your PPA or lease provider. Often homeowners consume more electricity than the solar system generates, so you'll owe your utility company for any excess consumption. However, if the solar system generates more electricity than you use, you may be eligible for credits from your utility provider. With rising energy costs, solar is a great way to lock in your electricity cost, avoid inflation, and it's a clean alternative to non-renewable fossil fuels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking the bell notification so that you know when we upload new content. See you next time.